morning, campers. Yeah, not a bad night's sleep, to be honest with you. Oh, excuse me. It's now 5 to 7 in the morning. Bit of a weird night. You know, you can hear lots of different noises and things like that. Yeah, once you get past you, it's just weird because I'm not scared of the dark or anything like that, but yeah, it's definitely different. Your mind starts playing tricks on you and all sorts of weird stuff. Once you get past that and realise that, you know, you're the biggest and scariest thing out here, then you're all right. You know, it's yeah, first one done, and now I can think about planning the next one. So yeah, time for me to get up, get the fire going, make myself a cup of coffee, and then oh dear, and then on with the rest of the day. Yeah, see you soon. There we go, guys. As I've always said in the past, wherever you go, make sure that you leave no trace. Camp's all down, the car's all packed up, ready to go. So yeah, all nice and tidy, ready for the next person. It's a really lovely spot to be camping in. It's really nice. Got out for a little bit of a stroll, come up to a tor called a Sharpitor. Absolutely beautiful around here, as you can see behind me there. Some absolutely beautiful scenery. I'll stand up and it's absolutely glorious. Really nice day. It's day 2 of overlanding up on the moors. Really enjoyed it. It's a different kind of night that I'm used to. Normally used to a nice, comfy, warm bed. But yeah, sleeping in the truck last night was good fun actually. Definitely going to be doing it again sometime soon. I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you where everything is, show you where the truck is. See you in a bit. Hi guys, I don't know if you can see it, but that's a coach. My truck is right down there. There it is. Way over there, not my fingernail, it's down that one. There we go. It's absolutely stunning up here. You can see a few of the Dartmoor ponies down there. That's really nice. I believe that's some kind of settlement down there. I'm not entirely sure. I'll have a look on the OS map in a minute. So yeah, really, really nice. Well worth the walk up here. I had to have a couple of minutes rest to get my breath back, because as you can see it's quite steep. Well, the last bit is anyway. So I'll start walking back to the truck and carry on going. Yeah, I'm on the way back down to the car now. Yeah, we had a coach load of people turn up, so it's going to get busy up here again now. That's the only problem with Dartmoor. It's so popular that on a nice day like today, especially a bank holiday, then you get loads and loads of people come up. A lot of my favourite spots are all taken today, with loads of people all parked all over the place. Not much care and consideration taken for anybody else. So I'm having to find different places that people either don't know about or they're not as popular. I mean, basically anything, if you can get parked close to a river at the moment, then that is just full. Families taking kids out and they splash about in the river and that kind of stuff, you know, which I don't blame them. You know, it's a beautiful day for it. It's yeah, when you start getting coaches pulling up in tiny little lay-bys, and you suddenly get 55 people turn out en masse. None of them are particularly dressed for hiking. You know, they're all wearing open-toed sandals and that kind of stuff, you know. And they've got to expect trouble, really. They've got to expect injuries and things. You know what I mean? I suppose they've paid their ticket price, you know, so they think they're invincible now because they've paid for a ticket. So, but no, it's a beautiful day to be up here. Like I said, I'm going to head back to the truck now and get myself a drink before I move on. No, not coffee this time. I've got a nice bottle of lemonade in there, keeping cool. So yeah, back to the truck, have some lemonade and move on to the next spot. I don't know where that's going to be yet, because like I said, it all depends whether or not it's got too busy there or not. But see you in the next video. Stop on my day two, so I've come down to a place called Burrator. Been down there before doing some photography with a good friend of mine, Jay Lethbridge. I think he'll remember this place well, because I nearly lost a leg here because I got stuck. But yeah, it's a lot higher now than it was before. But yeah, I'll turn the camera around and show you what I can see. This is the old manor house, and there's a reservoir. I will have a walk around. You can actually go right the way around the outside of it, so I'll take on a bit of a walk. There's a lot of people around. It's another favourite spot, but
Well, just in case you guys were wondering, that up there is Sharpitor. That's where I was earlier on. And I've come down to Burrator, one of my favourite places on Dartmoor. Although it gets busy over the other side of the reservoir, this side normally stays fairly quiet. And you can come right down alongside the river, well, say the river, right alongside the reservoir. It's really nice to be over here. I do live in a beautiful part of the world, a beautiful part of England actually. This is the other side of the reservoir from where I was just a minute ago. And again, it's just as beautiful. That's it. My 2 days up on Dartmoor has come to an end. On my way home now. It's been a great weekend, bank holiday weekend, with a visit out to Burrator and Sharpitor. My little stay down in Dartmoor overnight. It's been a really nice weekend. It's been nice to be able to get away from all the electronics of life, like Facebook, YouTube and everything else. Although I've been doing videos for YouTube, obviously, it's been nice to be able to put the phone down and know that it's not going to ring or not going to have a notification from Facebook or anything like that. It's just been really nice and relaxing. So definitely going to be planning another overnight stay at some stage. Whether I camp in the car again or whether I take the tent out, I don't know yet. But I shall have a look, see what the weather's like for the next bank holiday. But thanks for watching the video, guys. It's much appreciated. Always have a look through your comments if you put any down there. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Thanks a lot.